Hey everyone, my name is Bolaji. I'm a product designer, and in this video, I just want to show us the very lazy way to prompt ChatGPT, or one of the easiest way to prompt ChatGPT or any AI tool. If you are trying to generate something or trying to get something, imagine you just want to ask someone something, and you're not putting your request in a normal language that that person will understand it. Or you're trying to request for something from someone, and the way you are asking for that thing is it that it's kind of rude in a way to them, or it's not the proper way to ask them. The kind of response you are going to get might not be what you are looking for. So let's jump into it. Based on my formal request and everything that I was asking ChatGPT to give me, based on what I'm working on. So I said that I need I really want to recreate this particular image, and you're just asking so that I could use it for this particular video. So I said recreate this with high level reasoning, and it gave me this, which did not even sit well with me. So, and I said no, let the image size be 1440 px, please. Let the guy hold this slick laptop. I was just asking in a normal way that I did not even prompt it in a way that I will, I will get the best response. I know the right way to prompt it so that I will get what I'm looking for. But I actually prompted it in a way that, for the reasoning of someone who might have gone through this kind of steps, and they will be like, I'm prompting ChatGPT and it's not giving me what I want. So that this video will actually help out. So basically, it says that I couldn't generate that image because the request violates our content policy. I'm very sure a lot of people have gotten this. I'm very sure. So now, what I actually basically ask ChatGPT is that I don't just run away. I don't just say I'm not getting what I'm looking for. I will leave ChatGPT or go to another AI tool to get what I'm looking for. I will just basically give me a prompt that works, or a prompt that actually works for what I'm actually trying to achieve. So, and it says that this, you can see. Then copy it. But the image of the guy didn't actually work. Like looking at the image, it's looking like it's not real to say. The image is not real to say. So I just say make the guy's image to be more real. So, and when you are trying to prompt ChatGPT, one thing is that you can actually reply to your image what you are trying to get instead of you just having this kind of response. Okay, from here now, you create image, and I got this. Immediately, I responded under the same image. I could have just clicked on the image and respond through like this. Then there will be an arrow under it that will direct to my new message. You see what I'm saying now? Let me just scroll down. Let's say, okay, I clicked on this and I actually put all my text here. Yeah. And you see the response now. Look at this small arrow here. It's directing to to the same image, not another prompt or another question. So I'm trying to tailor everything down to what I need ChatGPT to do for me. So I want you to make this guy image to be more real. Not that you just give me another unrealistic image, but I want it to be the same guy, but to be more real. And I got this. Still, I still don't like it. I did not use the image in my work. Actually, I mean, I used a different one. That's basically what this video is about. You are trying to prompt ChatGPT and it's not giving you the exact thing that you're looking for, or you are violating the content policy. All you need to do is just to take ChatGPT or any AI tool that you want to use to generate any image or anything to give you a prompt or prompt that works for what you are trying to achieve. I'm going to add a link to this particular video. If you want to learn more about how to prompt ChatGPT, you can just check this link, Open AI Academy, to learn more about how to prompt ChatGPT to your taste, to a particular thing you're trying to achieve. Yeah, thank you.